Imagine if you could tell your body to start healing itself, not with pills, not with surgery, but with a single bite of food. Science now reveals that one powerful food can wake up your dormant stem cells, the body's own repair system, and literally begin reversing aging from the inside out. Every one of us has a built-in fountain of youth, and it's not found in a bottle. It's found in your own cells. Deep inside your bone marrow, your fat tissue, and even your muscles are stem cells, your body's natural healers. When you're young, they're working at full speed, repairing damaged tissues, regenerating organs, and keeping your skin, brain, and heart young. But as you age, these cells slow down. They become sleepy, almost silent. Now here's where the breakthrough comes in. Scientists have discovered that certain foods can reactivate these stem cells, turning them back on like flipping a switch. And one particular food stands out above the rest. It's not exotic, it's not expensive, it's something you might already have in your kitchen right now. This food has been shown in cutting-edge studies to trigger stem cell renewal, rebuild blood vessels, and regenerate tissue, helping your body literally grow younger at the cellular level. When you eat it consistently, your body begins to heal from within. Your skin glows, your brain sharpens, your energy rises, and even your metabolism resets. Think of it this way. Every time you eat, you're giving your body instructions. Some foods tell your body to inflame, age, and decay, but others, the right ones, send the opposite signal: repair, renew, and rejuvenate. The key is to eat more foods that turn on your repair systems, and this one food in particular is a game changer. It's a natural activator of stem cells, proven to reverse signs of biological aging. So when you look in the mirror, feeling like time has taken its toll, remember, the power to reverse it is already within you. The right foods don't just fill your stomach, they program your cells for youth, vitality, and longevity. Because aging isn't just about getting older, it's about losing your body's ability to repair itself. The good news, you can turn that ability back on. Starting today, with every bite, stem cells are the body's most powerful natural healing force. They are the unsung heroes, working quietly behind the scenes, repairing tissues, renewing organs, and maintaining the balance that keeps us alive and well. From the moment we are born, these remarkable cells are hard at work, regenerating our skin after injury, restoring our gut lining after illness, and replacing old damaged cells with brand new ones. They are the architects of renewal, ensuring that every organ in our body continues to function smoothly. But here's the incredible part. These cells don't just repair, they recreate. They have the ability to transform into almost any type of cell the body needs, whether that's heart tissue, liver cells, or even neurons in the brain. This flexibility is what makes stem cells so powerful. They are nature's built-in rejuvenation system. In youth, our stem cells operate at full capacity. That's why young bodies heal quickly, why wounds close overnight, and why energy levels seem limitless. The body is constantly regenerating, renewing, and rebuilding. But as we grow older, the communication between our cells weakens. The signals that once told stem cells to activate and repair begin to fade. The number of healthy stem cells also declines, leaving our body more vulnerable to wear and tear. Aging, in many ways, isn't just the passing of time, it's the gradual loss of cellular repair. When stem cells slow down, healing slows down. When they become less active, the body begins to age from the inside out. Skin becomes thinner, the immune system weakens, the brain fogs, and the heart loses its strength. But what if aging could be seen differently? Not as inevitable decline, but as a process we can influence? Science now shows that our stem cells don't simply vanish with age. They become dormant, waiting for the right signal to wake up again. They are like seeds buried beneath the soil, capable of blooming if given the right nourishment. When activated, these stem cells can repair damaged blood vessels, regenerate new tissue, and even restore function to organs once thought to be beyond repair. Imagine your body not as something that breaks down over time, but as something that can rebuild itself continuously if you give it the tools it needs. This understanding changes everything we thought we knew about aging. Instead of trying to fight the symptoms of aging, wrinkles, fatigue, or memory loss, we can go directly to the root cause, the loss of cellular renewal. By protecting and nourishing our stem cells, we're not just supporting health, we're unlocking the body's natural ability to rejuvenate. These cells are not science fiction. They are real, measurable, and active inside every one of us right now. Every breath you take, every heartbeat, every moment of healing after a small cut, That's stem cells at work, performing miracles inside your body every single day. As we grow older, something remarkable yet concerning happens within our bodies. Our stem cells, those microscopic architects of renewal, begin to slow down. When we are young, they divide rapidly and respond instantly to any signal of damage or inflammation. They replace worn-out cells, repair tissues, and keep our organs running like a finely tuned machine. But with age, these vital cells lose their vigor. The communication between cells weakens. The internal signals that once told them to wake up and repair the body begin to fade, and the overall number of active stem cells starts to decline. It's as if the body's internal repair crew begins to take longer breaks, responding more slowly each year. This slowdown is one of the main reasons we begin to see and feel the effects of aging. Cuts and bruises take longer to heal, muscles recover more slowly after exercise, and even the brain's ability to form new connections begins to diminish. The immune system weakens because fewer fresh immune cells are being produced. The skin loses its elasticity because fewer regenerative cells are replenishing collagen and elastin. This isn't just coincidence. It's the biological signature of stem cell exhaustion. The once constant rhythm of repair begins to falter, and the result is visible and internal aging. One of the key factors behind this slowdown is chronic inflammation. Low-level inflammation, often caused by poor diet, stress, lack of sleep, or environmental toxins, keeps the body in a constant state of alert. Over time, this damages the very stem cells that are meant to repair it. Instead of being active and effective, these cells become sluggish or even die prematurely. Oxidative stress, another silent culprit, damages cellular DNA, reducing the stem cell's ability to divide and regenerate. Imagine a construction site where the workers are exhausted, their tools are dull, and the blueprints are fading. That's what happens inside an aging body when stem cells weaken. The decline of stem cell activity also affects metabolism and energy production. Mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses within cells, become less efficient, leading to lower energy and more fatigue. Without vibrant stem cells creating new healthy cells, the body's tissues accumulate damage faster than they can be repaired. It's a gradual process, but it underlies everything we associate with getting older: slower recovery, stiffness, dull skin, weaker immunity, and even cognitive decline. However, what's inspiring is that the slowdown of stem cells isn't entirely permanent. Science has shown that these cells are still present in our bodies, just less active. They can be reawakened with the right internal environment. When the body receives proper nourishment, reduced inflammatio, and increased oxygen flow through healthy blood vessels, stem cells begin to stir again. They start dividing, repairing, and rejuvenating as they once did. Understanding that aging is largely a reflection of stem cell decline gives us hope, because by supporting their activity, we can restore our body's natural rhythm of renewal and begin turning back the biological clock from within. What makes nutrition so extraordinary is that food isn't just fuel, it's information. Every bite you take sends chemical messages throughout your body, influencing how your genes, hormones, and cells behave. Scientists have discovered that certain foods contain bioactive compounds that can directly communicate with your stem cells, awakening them from dormancy and encouraging regeneration. These compounds act like molecular switches, turning on the body's natural repair systems. When we eat foods rich in these natural signals, we are, in essence, teaching our bodies to heal themselves. This is a revolutionary concept, that what's on your plate can literally instruct your body to repair and renew from the inside out. Among these powerful foods are those that contain polyphenols, antioxidants, and natural plant compounds known for their cellular rejuvenation abilities. For example, foods like blueberries, green tea, pomegranates, turmeric, and dark leafy greens are filled with molecules that help neutralize inflammation and oxidative stress, two of the biggest enemies of stem cell health. When inflammation and oxidative damage are reduced, stem cells can function optimally, dividing more efficiently and traveling where they are needed most. This means faster tissue repair, healthier skin, improved circulation, and better overall vitality. The body starts operating in a state of balance, where damage is met with rapid regeneration. Certain plant-based nutrients even have the ability to stimulate the production of new stem cells. Take, for example, compounds found in green tea, such as EGCG, which have been shown in studies to promote the activation of neural and muscle stem cells. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, which not only protect existing stem cells from damage, but also encourage the growth of new ones. Pomegranate has ellagic acid, which can influence pathways related to cell renewal and longevity. These foods don't just feed your body, they instruct your cells to grow younger, stronger, and more resilient. This means that diet isn't just about calories or macronutrients, it's about cellular communication. When you consume foods that awaken your stem cells, you are sending a powerful message: repair, restore, rejuvenate. Your blood vessels respond by growing stronger, your brain cells begin forming new connections, and your immune system becomes more agile. Even your skin, the largest organ of your body, begins to reflect this internal renewal, becoming smoother, more elastic, and radiant. It's not magic, it's biology working at its best when supported by the right foods. Unfortunately, the modern diet often has the opposite effect. Processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats send the wrong messages to your cells, creating inflammation and oxidative stress that slow down stem cell activity. Over time, this constant damage can silence the body's repair mechanisms, but by returning to whole, nutrient-rich, natural foods, you can flip that switch back on. The beauty of this discovery is that you hold the power, through your daily choices, to wake up your stem cells and reignite your body's capacity for self-healing and regeneration. There is one particular food that stands out among all others when it comes to awakening the body's natural stem cell potential. While many foods offer antioxidants or vitamins, this one goes a step further by directly signaling the body to regenerate and repair. Scientific research has shown that this food contains unique bioactive compounds that stimulate stem cell release from bone marrow, enhance blood vessel growth, and promote tissue renewal in vital organs such as the heart, brain, and skin. When consumed regularly, it doesn't just slow aging, it begins to reverse it at the cellular level. What makes this so powerful is that it helps the body do what it already knows how to do: heal itself. The key lies in activating the body's own internal pharmacy rather than depending solely on external interventions. This food has been extensively studied for its effects on longevity and cellular repair. Researchers discovered that it supports the formation of new blood vessels, a process known as angiogenesis, which allows stem cells to travel to areas of damage and begin the healing process. It also enhances mitochondrial function, the energy centers inside your cells, allowing tissues to repair faster and perform better. People who regularly include this food in their diet often report higher energy levels, better cognitive focus, faster recovery from exercise, and a more youthful appearance. This is not a coincidence. It is a reflection of what happens when stem cells become reactivated and the body's natural healing network comes alive again. Inside this food are compounds that neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing the oxidative stress that can otherwise damage stem cells. They also help balance the immune system, preventing chronic inflammation from interfering with the body's ability to regenerate. Over time, these effects accumulate, resulting in smoother skin, healthier blood circulation, improved muscle tone, and a sharper mind. Scientists are now calling this kind of food functional medicine in disguise because it has such a profound effect on the body's repair systems. By enhancing stem cell activity naturally, it provides a form of biological insurance, continuously renewing your cells and keeping your organs youthful from the inside out. One of the most exciting aspects of this discovery is that you don't need to rely on synthetic drugs or complicated treatments to achieve it. The food that activates stem cells is natural, safe, and accessible. Whether it's incorporated into your breakfast, blended into a smoothie, or enjoyed as part of a daily meal, its compounds go to work silently but powerfully. The regeneration it triggers isn't superficial. It happens deep in the tissues within the cellular architecture that defines your health. Every time you consume it, you're signaling your body to renew itself. Over time, consistent consumption of this food can even help reverse certain aspects of biological aging. It rejuvenates blood vessels, strengthens the heart, restores muscle strength, and sharpens the brain's communication pathways. Your skin begins to glow, not because of surface treatments, but because the cells underneath are healthier and more active. The beauty of this discovery is that it empowers you to take charge of your aging process. You are not at the mercy of time. Your body holds the blueprint of youth, and the right food can unlock it naturally, safely, and powerfully from within. The idea that aging can be reversed from the inside out isn't fantasy. It's biology working at its best. Our bodies are designed with an extraordinary ability to repair and renew, but that potential depends on the choices we make every day. When you nourish your stem cells through the right foods, you're not just supporting health, you're teaching your body to rebuild itself. Aging, in its essence, is the gradual loss of regenerative power. But when you reactivate that power, the effects can be astonishing. Cells start communicating again, tissues regenerate, and the body begins to restore balance naturally. The right nutrition doesn't just slow down aging, it rewrites the body's repair code, restoring vitality, youthfulness, and resilience from the cellular level upward. What happens inside the body when you give it the right signals is nothing short of transformative. Your stem cells begin to move throughout your bloodstream, traveling to areas that need repair. They rebuild damaged skin, renew the lining of your gut, and even help regenerate nerve cells in your brain. Your metabolism stabilizes, inflammation cools down, and your energy levels rise because every part of your body begins working more efficiently. It's like upgrading every system in your body simultaneously. This internal transformation starts subtly: better sleep, improved focus, glowing skin, and over time, those small signs build into something profound, the reversal of biological aging. Supporting your stem cells isn't about short-term fixes. It's about restoring your body's natural rhythm of renewal. When stem cells are active and healthy, the entire body thrives. You experience better circulation, faster healing, and sharper mental clarity. The heart pumps more efficiently. Blood vessels stay flexible, and even your bones and joints remain stronger. It's not that aging disappears, but rather that your body learns how to stay youthful for longer. Each cell works in harmony with the others, communicating through signals that say repair instead of decline. The body begins to operate in a regenerative mode, constantly maintaining and rebuilding itself as it did in your younger years. This process also transforms the way we think about health. Instead of chasing anti-aging products or external treatments, the focus shifts to internal rejuvenation, activating the body's own intelligence. When you eat foods that support stem cell activation, hydrate properly, sleep deeply, and reduce stress, you create the ideal environment for your cells to flourish. Your lifestyle becomes medicine, and your plate becomes your most powerful prescription. The glow of youth, the energy you feel, and the clarity of your mind all stem from what's happening deep within your cells. Over time, this approach doesn't just make you look younger, it makes you be younger at the biological level. Your cells become more efficient, your tissues stronger, your organs more resilient. You start to feel as if you've turned back the clock, because in many ways you have. Reversing aging from the inside out is not about chasing eternal youth. It's about reclaiming the vitality your body was designed to have. The power has always been within you. It just needs the right nourishment, consistency, and belief to come alive. When we look at the science of aging today, one truth stands out clearly. The power to stay young, vibrant, and full of life has always been inside us. It's not found in a pill or a procedure. It's in the food we eat and the way we nourish our stem cells. These tiny architects of renewal hold the blueprint for your body's healing and regeneration. When you feed them the right nutrients, reduce inflammation, and allow your body to repair itself, you're not just slowing aging, you're reversing it from the inside out. Every meal becomes a message to your body. You can choose to send a message of decay or one of renewal. And when you choose wisely, when you eat foods that awaken your stem cells, support blood vessel health, and balance your metabolism, your body responds in extraordinary ways. Energy rises, skin glows, the mind sharpens, healing accelerates. You start to feel like the best version of yourself again, not because of luck, but because you gave your body what it needed to thrive. Remember, aging is not your enemy. It's simply your body's way of asking for support. And the moment you begin nourishing it properly, it rewards you with strength, clarity, and vitality. You can reclaim your youth not by fighting time, but by working with your biology, feeding it, protecting it, and activating the systems that keep you alive and well. So, as you leave today, take this with you. Every bite you take is a chance to heal. Every choice is an opportunity to grow younger from within. Let your food be your signal for renewal, and let your body remind you that the power to regenerate has always been yours. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the science of self-renewal. Take care of your body, feed it with wisdom, and it will take care of you in ways you never imagined. Stay curious, stay vibrant, and remember, Your best years are not behind you. They read just beginning. Thank you, stay healthy, stay young, and see you next time.